Good morning, I'm Rini Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, Apple Intelligent feature coming to upcoming iOS 18.1 beta releases. OnePlus flagship models may be facing dead phone issues. Samsung is working on double foldable and rollable smartphones, won't launch anytime soon. Infosys Eyes acquisition CEO Salil Parekh says no layoff due to AI focus. Zomato rolls out new service facility across 7 cities, including Delhi NCR. Ola CEO says dollar sign should be replaced with a rupee on keyboards, internet bread. Apple explore robotics in search of life beyond the iPhones and more. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you who is the CEO of Ola, and the answer is Bhavish Agrawal. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: who invented RAM? Think you know the answer? We want to hear from you. Leave your guess in the comments below this video. We reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin. So stay tuned if you got it right. Apple released iOS 18.1 Developer Beta 1 introducing its AI initiative, Apple Intelligence with some initial AI features. The beta includes writing tools that can rewrite emails, text, or letters in a different tones, proofread content, summarize it, and add tables or bullet points. Another feature allows users to request summarize of web pages, emails, or text, providing concise information quickly. The Photo app now supports AI-driven searches, enabling users to find specific images like photos of someone holding a phone. Apple Intelligence currently requires iPhone with at least 8 GB of RAM, limiting AI features to the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. OnePlus users, particularly those with OnePlus 10 and OnePlus 9 models, are facing a serve dead phone issues. Many devices have suddenly become unresponsiveness with the screens going black and phones not powering on. User reported lagging, overheating and freezing issues often after a software update, leading to completely unresponsiveness phone. Even attempts to hard reset or troubleshoot the issue have been unsuccessful in reviving the affected devices. Service centers are quoting hefty repair costs, sometimes as high to rupees 42,000, exceeding the current value of the phones. Samsung is developing double foldable and rollable smartphone, pushing the boundaries of mobile technology. Samsung continues to lead the foldable phone market, building on its success with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. No specific launch dates have been provided, indicating these new devices won't be released anytime soon. Huawei may launch a double foldable smartphone as early as next month, potentially beating Samsung to market. Samsung has already demonstrated rollable display technology, proving these devices are more than just concept. Infosys is looking to acquire a companies in data analytics and software as a service sectors. Despite a focuses on AI, Infosys CEO Salil Parekh has stated that there will be no layoff due to AI. The company is considering acquisition in Europe and the United States. Infosys may pursue acquisition similar in scale to its recent $450 million deal. In January 2024, Infosys acquired in Semi Technology Services, an Indian chip designing company, for 280 crore. In April 2024, Infosys acquired Intech Holding, a German engineering R&D services provider, for $450 million. Zomato has introduced a service that allows users to schedule food orders up to 2 days in advance. The service is initially available in Delhi NCR, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Lucknow, and Jaipur. Customer can schedule order above rupees 1,000 at approximately 13,000 outlets across the listed cities. Zomato plans to extend the scheduling feature to all orders and include more restaurants and cities in the future. Zomato founder and CEO Dipendra Goyal announced the new services via social media. The service aims to help users can plan meals better by ensuring timely delivering or scheduled orders. Ola CEO Bhavesh Agrawal has suggested replacing the US dollar sign of keyboards sold in India. The rupee sign. Agrawal's suggestion was shared in X post, highlighting the dollar sign as a keyboard and questioning its presence in Indian products. The post had received over 1.4 million views and sparked a divided reaction on internet. Some users urge against the suggestion, citing the US dollar sign importance in programming and Excel functions. Apple is exploring a robotic to expand its product to line up beyond currently devices and enhance consumer experience at home. Apple devices such as iPhones, iPad, Macs, Apple TVs, and deeply integrated into users' life, making it challenging to innovate with the new product categories. Although Apple's self-driving car project was discontinued, it sparked interest in using robotics for new product experiences. Apple is developing a tabletop device codenamed J595, which combines a large display with the robotic capabilities and expected to launch around 2026 or 2027. Future Apple robotics may include a mobile robotics and humanoid models aimed at solving practical problems and increasing device usability. This is Rini Gupta signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the all tech updates.